Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Make sure your phone is charged or plugged in and on a stable Wi-Fi network so the backup won't stall. Once ready, open WhatsApp and go to Settings, then Chats and Chat Backup. Tap Backup now to start a local and cloud save depending on your OS. This preserves messages and media. Make sure Google Drive or iCloud is linked so the app can upload automatically. Otherwise, you'll only have a local file. Once the initial backup begins, you should configure details so future restores are reliable. You'll pick a cloud account, Google Drive on Android or iCloud on iPhone, and grant WhatsApp permission to use it. Then decide whether to include videos. They increase size and time, so toggle as needed. Finally, set an automatic frequency like daily or weekly to keep data current. These choices affect how complete your restore will be. And automatic schedule. To restore, install WhatsApp on the same or new device and verify your phone number. WhatsApp will detect a matching cloud backup. When prompted, tap Restore and let it download messages and media. This may take time depending on size and speed. Once done, tap Next to finish setup. If something goes wrong, make sure you use the same cloud account, confirm there's enough storage and a strong network, and if necessary, redo the backup on the old device before repeating the restore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.